Well, it's another episode of turkeys in Mrs. Del Regno's yard. We're inside. My dog is going crazy, looking out at them. What's out there, Stanley? Claire's with me. We're going to count how many. Start counting there, Claire.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Oh
20,
boy. Here they come.
21,
Too bad we can't make them run.
22.
Will they run? Oh, that guy's running. Did you lose track of counting?
22.
So 22 turkeys just walked through our yard. And as you can hear, Stanley does not know what's going on. What's out there, Stanley? All right. I guess we'll keep you updated on our turkeys. Have a good day.